enjoy gardening in my free time.
How long have you been gardening?
I've been gardening for about 5 years now.
What do you like about gardening?
I find it relaxing and rewarding to see plants grow and flourish.
Do you have a favorite plant or flower?
I love roses for their beauty and fragrance.
Do you have any tips for someone starting a garden?
Start with easy to grow plants and make sure to water them regularly.
Do you enjoy cooking as a hobby?
Yes, I love trying out new recipes and experimenting in the kitchen.
What is your signature dish?
I make a mean lasagna that everyone in the family enjoys.
Do you have any other creative hobbies?
I enjoy painting and creating artwork in my spare time.
Have you ever tried knitting or crocheting?
Yes, I used to knit scarves and blankets when I was younger.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I used to play the piano, but I haven't practiced in a long time.
Are you into any sports or physical activities?
I enjoy going for walks and practicing yoga to stay active.
Have you ever tried photography as a hobby?
Yes, I enjoy capturing beautiful moments with my camera.
Do you have a favorite genre of music?
I enjoy listening to classical music and jazz.
Have you ever tried writing as a hobby?
Yes, I used to write short stories and poems when I was younger.
Do you have any hobbies that involve working with your hands?
I enjoy knitting, sewing, and doing crafts.
Have you ever tried woodworking or carpentry?
No, I haven't tried woodworking, but it seems like a fascinating hobby.
Do you enjoy reading as a hobby?
Yes, reading is one of my favorite hobbies. I love getting lost in a good book.
What is the most recent book you've read?
I just finished reading The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald.
Do you have any hobbies related to nature or the outdoors?
I enjoy birdwatching and going on nature hikes.
Have you ever tried gardening indoors with houseplants?
Yes, I have a few houseplants that I take care of, and they bring life to my home.
Do you have any hobbies that involve cooking or baking?
Yes, I enjoy trying new recipes and baking delicious treats.
Have you ever tried any DIY projects?
Yes, I've done some DIY home decor projects and enjoyed the process.
Do you have a favorite hobby that helps you relax and unwind?
Gardening is my go-to hobby for relaxation and stress relief.
Have you ever tried any water-related hobbies like swimming or fishing?
I enjoy swimming during the summer months, but I haven't tried fishing.
Do you have any hobbies that involve physical fitness or exercise?
I practice yoga regularly to stay fit and flexible.
Have you ever tried any artistic hobbies like drawing or painting?
Yes, I enjoy painting and creating art as a form of self-expression.
Do you have any hobbies that involve learning new languages?
I've always wanted to learn a new language, but I haven't started yet.
Have you ever tried any hobbies related to technology or computers?
I'm not very tech-savvy, but I enjoy using social media to connect with friends.
Do you have any hobbies that involve volunteering or helping others?
Yes, I volunteer at a local charity, and it brings me joy to give back to the community.
Have you ever tried any hobbies that involve writing or journaling?
Yes, I find writing in a journal to be a therapeutic and reflective hobby.
What is your favorite sport?
I love playing basketball.
How long have you been playing basketball?
I've been playing for about 5 years now.
What do you enjoy about playing basketball?
I love the teamwork and the thrill of scoring points.
Do you have a favorite basketball team?
Yes, I'm a fan of the Los Angeles Lakers.
Have you ever played in a basketball tournament?
Yes, I've participated in a few local tournaments.
Do you have a favorite basketball player?
LeBron James is my favorite player.
Do you practice basketball every day?
I try to practice at least 3 times a week.
What position do you play in basketball?
I usually play as a shooting guard.
Have you ever won any basketball awards or trophies?
Yes, I've received a Most Valuable Player award in a tournament.
Do you watch basketball games on TV?
Yes, I enjoy watching NBA games.
Have you ever been to a live basketball game?
Yes, I've been to a few NBA games.
Do you have any basketball drills you practice regularly?
Yes, I work on shooting and dribbling drills.
Have you ever played basketball with your friends?
Yes, we often play pickup games at the local park.
Do you play any other sports besides basketball?
I also enjoy playing soccer in my free time.
Have you ever taken basketball lessons or joined a team?
Yes, I've taken lessons and played for a school team.
Do you have any favorite basketball shoes?
I like Nike basketball shoes.
Do you have any favorite basketball moves or tricks?
I enjoy practicing crossovers and slam dunks.
Have you ever been injured while playing basketball?
Thankfully, I haven't had any major injuries.
Do you have any basketball idols or role models?
Kobe Bryant has always been an inspiration to me.
Do you enjoy watching basketball highlights on YouTube?
Yes, I love watching amazing plays and dunks on YouTube.
Have you ever played basketball in a different country?
No, I haven't played basketball in a different country.
Do you have a favorite basketball court to play on?
I enjoy playing at the outdoor court near my house.
Have you ever attended a basketball camp?
Yes, I've attended a summer basketball camp.
Do you have any favorite basketball drills?
I like practicing shooting drills and layups.
Have you ever coached a basketball team?
No, I haven't coached a team yet.
Do you play basketball for fun or with a competitive spirit?
I play for both fun and to improve my skills.
Have you ever played basketball in a school tournament?
Yes, I've represented my school in basketball tournaments.
Do you have any pregame rituals before playing basketball?
I always stretch and listen to music before games.
Have you ever met any professional basketball players?
No, I haven't had the opportunity to meet any yet.
Do you have any favorite basketball movies or documentaries?
I enjoy watching movies like Space Jam and Who's Yours.
Have you ever scored a buzzer beater shot in a basketball game?
No, but I've made some clutch shots in close games.
Do you have any basketball goals or dreams for the future?
I hope to play at a higher level and maybe even go pro.
Have you ever played basketball in different weather conditions?
Yes, I've played in both indoor and outdoor courts.
Do you have a favorite basketball jersey or team jersey?
I love wearing my favorite team's jersey when playing.
Have you ever participated in a basketball skills competition?
Yes, I've taken part in shooting and dribbling competitions.
Do you have a favorite basketball coach or mentor?
My high school basketball coach has been a great mentor to me.
Have you ever watched a basketball game live at an arena?
Yes, I've been to NBA games at the Staples Center.
Do you enjoy watching basketball documentaries or interviews?
Yes, it's interesting to learn about the history of the sport.
Have you ever played basketball with people from different age groups?
Yes, I've played with both younger and older players.
Do you have any favorite basketball quotes or sayings?
Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard.
How are you enjoying the picnic?
It's so much fun.
What's your favorite activity so far?
I really like playing frisbee.
Have you tried the sack race?
Yes, it was hilarious.
Who won the three-legged race?
Tim and Emily were the winners.
Did you participate in the tug-of-war?
Yes, our team won.
What's your favorite picnic food?
I love the sandwiches and potato chips.
Have you played any board games?
Yes, we played a round of chess.
Do you like the music playing in the background?
Yes, it's really upbeat and fun.
Are you enjoying the beautiful weather?
Absolutely, it's perfect for a picnic.
Have you made any new friends today?
Yes, I've met some really nice people.
Have you seen any interesting wildlife in the park?
We spotted a squirrel running up a tree.
Did you bring any outdoor games to play?
Yes, I brought a badminton set.
Have you had a chance to relax on the picnic blanket?
Yes, it's nice to lie down and enjoy the surroundings.
Did you bring any snacks to share with everyone?
Yes, I brought a big bag of popcorn.
Are you excited about the upcoming scavenger hunt?
Yes, I can't wait to search for hidden treasures.
Have you tried the face painting station?
Yes, I got a butterfly painted on my cheek.
Do you enjoy outdoor activities like this?
Yes, I love spending time outside.
Have you brought any toys or games to play with?
I brought a frisbee and a football.
Have you taken any pictures to remember this day?
Yes, I've been snapping photos throughout the picnic.
Have you ever been to this park before?
No, this is my first time, and it's beautiful.
Did you bring any musical instruments to play?
Yes, I brought my guitar and played a few songs.
Have you tried the swings and the slide?
Yes, they're so much fun.
Did you bring any books or magazines to read?
Yes, I'm enjoying a good book during breaks.
Have you seen any interesting birds in the park?
We saw a colorful parrot flying by.
Are you enjoying the picnic atmosphere with everyone?
Yes, it's great to see everyone having a good time.
Have you played any team sports during the picnic?
We had a friendly soccer match earlier.
Do you like the decorations and the picnic setup?
Yes, it adds to the festive atmosphere.
Have you tried any of the delicious desserts?
Yes, the chocolate cake is amazing.
Are you planning to join in the dance party later?
Definitely, I love dancing.
Have you explored the entire park yet?
Not yet, there's still more to see and do.
Did you bring any craft supplies for art activities?
Yes, we made some colorful friendship bracelets.
Have you had a chance to fly a kite in the park?
Yes, it was a challenge, but so much fun.
Did you bring any outdoor games like horseshoes or bocce ball?
No, I didn't, but I would love to try them.
Have you joined in any group activities or contests?
Yes, I participated in the hula hoop contest.
Are you enjoying the live music performance?
Yes, the band is really talented.
Did you bring a camera to capture the memories?
Yes, I'm taking lots of photos.
Have you tried the ice cream truck streets?
Yes, I had a delicious strawberry cone.
Are you planning to stay until the evening for fireworks?
Yes, I'm excited to see the fireworks display.
Did you bring any sports equipment for outdoor games?
Yes, I brought a volleyball and a soccer ball.
Are you having a great time at the picnic?
Absolutely, it's been an amazing day.